Hello, everyone, and welcome to our session on Road to PMP Success in 2021. The preparatory course for PMP certification as per the new syllabus. So, without wasting much time, let's get started and look at what we are going to be talking about today. The agenda is first we look at about us, understand who we are and what do we do. Then we look at the PMP PMI certification. Then we look at the PMP certification under the new syllabus. We look at the pricing model for PMP certification. Then we understand our PMP Assure program, which will help you to get certified, and our monthly training calendar. So sit back, relax, and just listen to what we have to say. So first of all, who are we? We are a consulting, advisory, and training services organization in the area of project or program management, process management, and product management. Our primary services include consulting, training, and products. Some of our primary partner is the PMI Institute, with whom we are the authorized training partner. In fact, we are one of the first authorized training partners from India. We got certified in 2020, and we are now the authorized training partner of PMI. We have over 13 years of pan-India operations experience. We are a global PMI education provider. We are a global CMMI partner. We are also an e-learning partner of TCS iON. We have 50 plus corporate clients, 500 plus person years of consulting experience, and we have trained 15,000 plus professionals across all these programs. So we are a pan-India company operating out of our offices, head office in Chennai and other offices at Bangalore, Mumbai, Noida, and Kolkata. Our instructors are also PMI authorized instructors, and our experienced panel of PMI authorized panel of trainers include Mr. A. Chandrasekaran, our founder director, Mr. G.L. Shekhar, who is one of our most popular PMP mentors, and Mr. K. Natarajan, who is the agile coach and consultant and a PMP trainer. A quick look at a sample trainer profile. Experience of 27 plus years, industry primarily in the IT and IT enabled services industry. Education BE, Bachelor of Engineering, and thereafter PMP, then the other areas like PMI SP, PMI PBA, and PG DOR. Also, we have a book which is called as Road to Project Success. So our trainers have contributed towards the book, and we have been involved as a curriculum developer in the executive MBA program run by Kuvempu University, currently pursuing Agile Certified Practitioner program. On the PMI front, it is interesting, some fun facts about PMI. PMI has over 615,000 members, of which PMP professionals, PMP certified professionals are almost 1.05 million, and certified associate in program management are around 50,000. Program for management professionals, we have around 3,000 members who are certified. We have PMI scheduling professionals, over 2,000. Risk management professionals include close to 6,000 professionals. Agile certified practitioners, almost 35,000, 36,000, and project portfolio management professionals, about 900, and professionals in business analysis. Okay, so that's around 4,000 of them. And one of our trainers that we just now saw the profile is a PMI PBA. Now, what has changed in 2021? Every few years we have seen our PMI has been coming out with new versions. Started off with version 1, V2, V3, V4. The last one was the version 6, which was popularly called as V6. And now there has been a overhaul of the certification content and the program, and it includes what we have termed as what PMI has termed as domain, tasks, and enablers. So what are domain? Domain is the high level knowledge area that is essential to the practice of project management. Tasks, they are the underlying responsibilities of the project manager within each domain area. And enablers, it's the illustrative examples of the work associated with the task. Enablers are not meant to be an exhaustive list, but rather a few examples to demonstrate what the task encompasses. So enablers are basically anything that you do to enable the task. If you look at the question pattern, the three primary domains are people, process, and business environment. So there are 14 tasks within people domain, 17 tasks within the process domain, and 4 tasks within the business environment domain. So the spread of questions is typically going to be 42% from people, 50% from process, 8% from the business environment. Okay, so we have 3 domains, 35 tasks. Remember that, 3 domains, 35 tasks, and across which we have the spread of our questions. The other key change in 2021 has been that PMI has introduced its own set of training course materials. So every participant in our program will receive official course content developed and distributed by PMI. In addition, we also share content based on the above, which is helpful and based on our years of experience, learnings from the various programs that we have conducted, which will help you to assimilate the content more easily. What sort of preparation support can you expect from us? You will receive an online question bank with almost 1200, 1300 questions, mock exams based on the current exam pattern. We have multiple mock exams which you will be using to assess your preparation for the exam before you actually take the exam. We have daily quizzes which are shared through our WhatsApp group. We'll share mind maps which will help you to remember the content. Weekly Q&A sessions which are conducted on individual topics, so that helps you to clear out any doubts that you may have. We'll also help you in the application form fill up, guide you on the process, what to fill up, how to fill up, so that your application is approved. We also provide mentoring support through emails, and we also will offer a final assessment before you take the actual exam. So the mock exams and the final assessment will pretty much help you to analyze where you stand vis-a-vis the final exam and whether you're ready for the exam or not. So before we head to our PMP Assure program, let me just discuss the training cost. The training cost, the revised training cost that has become applicable since the later half of 2020 is the training cost outside India works out to around $560 if you become a member, and if you don't become a member, you pay around $555. Um, Now, that doesn't include the local chapter. So if you remove the local chapter and the 1-year membership, you are actually paying an exam fee of $405, and the membership fee comes for a charge of almost $140. So that's almost $545, and so that's the differential that you have in terms of being a member and taking the exam without being the member. But you receive a lot of information, lot of content, lot of support from the PMI once you become a member. And in India, the charges are of this type. Exam fee is 23,000 if you are a paid member, and you can become a paid member by paying 10,735 rupees INR. So and in case you don't want to be a local chapter member, you don't pay the fee of 927. Otherwise, you have a total fees of 35,121, and on top of it, the GST is payable at the rate of 18%, which works out to 6,322, and the total fee with GST and PMI membership is 41,443. And if you don't become a paid member, then you pay a fee of 42,863 rupees, and you add GST of 18%, which is 7,715, and the total works out to rupees 50,578. So there's almost a difference of 10,000 rupees in terms of taking the exam as a paid member or without the paid membership. And the same set of benefits accrue once you become a member. You get a lot of contents, a lot of information, you get invitations to the local events organized by PMI or PMI supported chapters, and you get discounts for those programs as well. Now, a little bit about our PMP Assure program. We offer a PMP Assure roadmap which will help, and if you follow what we are recommending, if you follow our training and our preparation guidelines, we hope that you will be able to clear the exam in the first attempt. The training program itself is close to 42 hours. Okay, we'll see the schedule in a few minutes, but the training itself is for 42 hours. On top of it, we expect you to spend considerable amount of time on preparation, so which can be around 6 to 8 weeks. We understand that when most of you are working professionals, so you do not have the luxury of full time, but in case you want to spend your time and fruitfully, we suggest you spend at least a minimum of this much time to prepare. Now, 7 days before the final exam that you intend to take, you take a final assessment, which we'll assess and we'll share with you the results along with the improvement tips, so that you get a feel of how the exam is going to be, and you can assess yourself how well prepared you are. Any minor changes that you want to make to your strategy, you would be advised to do that. And this is what you get actually. So you get training, you get support, you get mentoring before you take the actual PMP exam. So we are there. We'll be holding your hands right through training, support, and mentoring before you take the PMP exam. So what do you get? As far as the training is concerned, the training is as per the January 2021 content published by PMI. for which you get 42 hours of training, and followed by support in terms of daily quizzes. You get a preparation plan. You get help with application process. We'll share with you a quick start audio which will help you get going on the right direction. Preparation material, and you also get access to the online question bank. And we also have a weekly Q&A discussions which are hosted on Saturday, Sunday. So you can dial in and you can join those discussions, which are on individual topics of the program, and which will help you to clear out any doubts that you might have. So these topics are published beforehand, are made known beforehand, so that you know which topic and you come prepared for these sessions. In terms of mentoring, we'll be, besides the weekly online preparation, we said we'll also have discussions on important topics, sharing with you the regular topics. We'll also have online support available in case you have any questions, queries. Feel free to email us, or we'll also provide a support call number. We'll have guidance on exam day preparation, how to get prepared mentally for taking the exam, and we'll have a final assessment 7 days before the exam, before you sit for the actual exam. So as you see, it is a robust program, Assure program, which will hold you step by step the entire way, and get you prepared for the actual exam. So what's our monthly training schedule? Every month we have, on the first Saturdays, we start our weekend morning program, which starts around 8:30 a.m. and continues till 12:30 p.m. plus minus 15 minutes, which is approximately 4 hours. So you get 13 classes, close to 6 weekends, which will cover around 42 hours. Most cases we don't use all those, but again, we have the provision and we'll continue with that. Weekend evening batches are also available, which starts from 4:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. with 4 hours and 13 classes approximately, that is spread across 6 weekends. We also have weekday evening programs, which are usually start 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Approximately 2 hours, and so it will take you around 21 days to cover the 42 hours. So that means roughly 4 weeks to complete the weekday program. Okay, now in between we might be having additional hours or additional classes, or we might tip subject to discussions among the participants in the batch. So we will ensure that we hold your hands and see you through till the day you appear for your exams. And as the exam is an online program, you need to be very, very confident, and you need to be mentally prepared for taking that exam in that mode, and we will be there to help you throughout. Okay, so this is what we have in terms of our PMP preparation training program and the PMP Assure program. Okay, so I will end on this slide, which will be with you, and feel free to reach out to us for any follow-up questions, any doubts, any clarifications that you need. Thank you, and looking forward to hearing back from you.